I'll go on YouTube, it's your boy Click, man, and we're back with another banger for you guys today, man. Today, we will be reacting to one of the funniest TV shows that I think has ever been created, and it's cringe and funny moments from 90 Day Fiance. Like, I just watched this with my mom. I started watching it with my mom, and then sometimes I would watch it on my own, but the things that happen, I have to, like, think. I'm like, yo, there's no way these people are doing this because this is how they are. They have to be acting. Like, it's just so funny. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on post notifications. Likes, comments are all appreciated, man. We're just gonna get right into it. We know this is good.
Unveil her, please.
Unveil her.
Before me, I have Kennedy Michael, the list for me, and Angela K.D. We want to solemnize they are married this evening. Michael, repeat that statement. I, Kennedy list for me.
Kennedy, let's submit Michael.
Take you.
Take you,
Angela Dean.
Angela Kejin,
To
What?
be my lawful wife.
to be my lawful wife,
Uh-huh.
Forsaking all other women.
forsaking all other women,
Till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Amen.
Yes.
Angela K.D. Repeat that statement. Angela K.D.
Angela K. Dean,
Take you.
take you.
Kennedy Ilesome Michael.
Candy, Elisimi Michael.
To be my lawful husband.
She got it right.
To love and to obey. To
What?
love and to obey.
What?
Yes, to love and to obey.
Obey what?
Obey your
love.
And
husband.
obey who?
Wasn't she just crying? Wasn't she just touched by what he was saying? And all of a sudden it's to obey who? What is wrong with this lady?
To love and obey.
Forsaking all other men.
Forsaking all other men.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us.
Amen. I pronounce the two of you as husband and wife.
STD, which is,
Yo, this guy's funny.
I think it's a blood test, and they just test to see if you have like sexually transmitted disease. So I was asking if you're willing to take that test. I'll never ask you another question about your past. Last night when I noticed that your legs were kind of like mine, they were hairy.
What?
Yeah.
Yo,
So,
honestly, this
I'll make
whole
you do it. If you shave
series
your
with him and
legs,
her were so funny.
I'll shave my beard.
Why? I shave my legs.
Leg hair, it just seems kind of less feminine for a woman.
And I'm not. I would rather, a girl shave her legs. And if he's saying it makes her less feminine for a woman, I don't see what ground he has to stand on to talk about, because he doesn't look masculine for a man. We got to be honest.
Yeah, I don't like leg hair. It's gross.
You're
Either that or you
gross.
Kiss me.
No, guys. Okay.
Oh shit.
I wait for you. I love you.
She sound like a gremlin though.
I'm disappointed.
Me too.
I finally understand what he said about STD test. I feel hurt. I feel my heart cracked.
Your heart's fine. There's nothing wrong with him asking that shit.
I feel you will not trust me.
I got a couple more things.
Sure.
Okay, so this is going to be less romantic. So this is mouthwash,
Oh.
and I got you a cute toothbrush. Just your breath is not pretty. One of the first things I noticed, even at the airport, was her breath, but I didn't know how to bring it up. And
Oh, that is so embarrassing. The man went on TV and said this shit too. He didn't even say it to her, but like behind the scenes. The man said it on Nah, bro, this nigga's disrespectful. Again, like looking like this.
realizes it.
Breath
but
gotta
I
be
do.
fresh, man.
And then I got you good toothpaste.
Okay.
Do you know that my concern is your health? Because if you get disease in your mouth, it goes to your heart. You could get sick.
Very happy happy. I've went through everything
I
that
don't remember this
was
couple.
requested of me, and we're gonna have a happy life together.
I don't know, Benjamin.
So did you enjoy everything last night?
Benjamin. I hate to break it to you, man. That's a goddamn lie. She lied. And not that convincingly, to be honest. I don't know how you're convinced.
No.
I did.
Do I need to go get a satisfaction survey?
I don't even know what that means.
Being married, we can now sleep in the same bed.
We consummated the marriage, and it went well.
He lying.
So the cookie jar was taken care of well.
Bro, she about to divorce his ass as soon as she get her
Chemistry's
shit.
important. You think we have it?
I think we have it.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay. I just want to start by saying that I love Yazan a lot.
What?
And I want to be with him, but I don't necessarily feel comfortable doing that if, like, you guys don't want that.
هلا بس بالبداية حابة تقول لك إنه هي فعلا بتحب يزن. حابة إنهم يكونوا مع بعض. بس ما راح تكون فعلا مرتاحة إذا هذا الإشي راح يتسبب مشكلة من جهتكم.
صبرتني يعني مش عارف شو بدي احكي لك بس وللامانه وانا خايف منها عيازا انه العيله مش متقبل الموضوع هذا وهم من جهه نظرهم انه يعني هو بده ياخذ واحده اجنبيه ويصير زيهم يغير قلعاداته وتقاليده بس عشان وحده او ففي عنا هنا هذا الحكي غلط كبير مش شويه.
So I don't really know where to
Not
start.
just a little.
I'm concerned that the family does not accept this marriage. The point of view is that Yazan is now abandoning his family, abandoning his traditions, and going to marry a foreign woman and just adopt
Is
her
that she's
values
foreign or
and
is
her
that she's
culture.
black?
Just leave everything behind. To them, that is something that is very wrong.
في ناس في العيلة ترى بريتني بيكرهوا يزن راح يقتلوه لأنه قال بيأثر على العيلة.
There are people in the family who genuinely hate him now. And it might get to the point where they might decide to kill him.
Wow.
And if they're gonna kill him, what are they gonna do to you? Better get your ass back on that plane, sis.
Because they believe that when he does that, he's not just affecting himself, he's affecting the entire family.
And this shit isn't that would be intense because she's in their country. This nigga don't give a fuck about your tears, man.